my dear students. How are you? I hope all are good. Welcome back to another class. Today, let me start English chapter number 8, Aunt Bella's Umbrella. Chloe was not pleased. Does she have to come? She asked her mother for the uptenth time. Why does she have to come? She has to come because she doesn't have enough money to go on a holiday. So we have invited her to stay with us for a few days. I have explained that to you. Chloe replied her mother. है ना? अब उन्होंने जो है मदर को बुलाया किस लिए? क्योंकि वो हॉलिडे पर जाना चाहते थे। तो इसलिए क्लो ने अपनी मदर को घर पे रहने के लिए बुलाया। शी हैज टू कम बिकॉज डजंट हैव इनफ मनी। वो इसलिए आ गई क्योंकि उसके पास मनी नहीं था। बट शी वियर्स फनी क्लोथ्स एंड शी डजंट लाइक टेलीविजन एंड शी स्मेल्स फन। सैड डोंट बी रिडिकुलस सैड हर मदर शार्पली। ओके, आंट बेला अराइव बाय ट्रेन दैट आफ्टरनून। बेला आंटी जो है ट्रेन से दोपहर में आ गई थी। क्लोज डैड वेंट टू रिसीव हर फ्रॉम द स्टेशन। क्लो के जो डैड हैं वो उनको स्टेशन से लेने जाते हैं। When they reach home, Aunt Bella had only an old suitcase and a bright red umbrella with her. जब वो घर पहुंचती हैं तो उनके हाथ में एक सूटकेस और एक ब्राइट रेड कलर का अम्ब्रेला यानी छाता होता है। She insisted on putting both these in Chloe's room, although Chloe's mom tried hard to get her to leave her umbrella in the hall. Oh no, said Aunt Bella, this old umbrella comes with me. तो क्लॉज का जो रूम था तो वो कहती हैं उसकी दादी की जो है मेरा सूटकेस और अम्ब्रेला दोनों चीज क्लॉज के रूम में हो। बट उसकी मदर कहती कि नहीं ये अम्ब्रेला बाहर रख देते हैं। बट नहीं, वो कहती इट इज वेरी स्पेशल फॉर मी। Okay, that night Aunt Bella decided to go to bed at the same time as Chloe, which was quite early. Chloe thought for a moment. It's true, said the umbrella. She's not completely batty. Oh, I'm sorry, gasped Chloe. I didn't mean to think that. I just spoke into my head. Don't worry, said Aunt Bella, but you just behave yourself, umbrella. Just be a little bit careful about what you say. Okay. Aunt Bella ने कहा कि जो है behave yourself, okay, umbrella, and just be a little bit careful. What about what you see? All right, said the umbrella, but I should just mention that this little girl thinks that your dressing gown is pretty funny as well. You know. Well, she can have her own opinion, said Aunt Bella. Now, where shall we go to tonight, umbrella? I was wondering about a trip to Venice, said the umbrella carelessly. I have heard it's not too crowded at this time of the year. Lovely, said Aunt Bella. Now, close shut your eyes and think about umbrella. Chloe didn't believe this was happening, but she did as she was told. She imagined umbrella in all kinds of colors. They began to whirl about before her eyes faster and faster. Now open your eyes, said Aunt Bella. Chloe found herself in a little boat gliding along a canal between tall building. In front of her was her aunt holding her umbrella over her head. So, this is Venice, said Aunt Bella. It's beautiful, isn't it? But where is it? Asked Chloe. It doesn't look like anywhere I know at all. It isn't. It is in a country called Italy, explained Aunt Bella. A long, long way from your home. Do you like it? I like one of those ice creams over there, replied Chloe. She had just spotted a man with a little stall on one side of the canal. 5 minutes later, Chloe had her mouth full of the tastiest ice cream she had ever eaten, but Aunt Bella's umbrella began to flutter above her head. It looks as though it's time to go home, said Aunt Bella. Shut your eyes, Chloe. The next minute, Chloe found herself back in her own little bed. Time to sleep now, said Aunt Bella. We can go traveling again tomorrow night if you like. अगर तुम अभी तुम रेस्ट करो अगर तुम चाहती हो कि हम कल फिर से घूमने जाएंगे. Chloe could hardly count the wonderful places she visited over the next few nights, but soon it was time for Aunt Bella to go home. You were a good girl to share your room, said Chloe's mother as they waved Aunt Bella off in the train. She has so few chances to get away, I felt we had to help. I'm not so sure about that, said Chloe quietly, but I'm very glad you invited her here and her umbrella. Chloe कहती कि मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि आप दोनों जो है आप और आपका umbrella यहाँ पे आए. Chloe's mother wasn't sure she had viewed her daughter properly. She couldn't mind about an umbrella, could she? So everyone, the chapter is in here. I hope you are a very well understandable chapter. So we will meet to the next class. Thank you everyone.